Phase 2. Assigning bulk shifts. Welcome back. Now let's learn how to assign shifts to your employees using the Assign Bulk Shifts feature. This powerful tool lets you schedule multiple people at once, saving you hours of repetitive work. Click the yellow Assign Bulk Shifts button. A form slides in from the right titled Assign Bulk Shifts. At the top, you'll see an important blue information box that says, "The existing shift will be overridden." This is a helpful reminder. If you assign a new shift to an employee who already has a shift on that date, the new shift replaces the old one. This prevents double booking, but means you should check existing schedules before making bulk changes. Now let's work through the form. First up is department. This drop-down is optional. You can leave it blank to select employees from all departments. Or click the drop-down to choose a specific department. This is useful when you want to schedule an entire team at once. Maybe all site workers need the morning shift next week, or the entire office team is on a special schedule. Next is employees. Notice the red asterisk, so this field is required. Click the drop-down and you'll see all your active employees listed. You can select multiple people at once. Maybe you're scheduling 5 engineers for a night shift, or 10 workers for a weekend project. Select all the people who need the same shift assignment. This is what makes bulk scheduling so powerful. If you selected a department earlier, this drop-down automatically filters to show only employees from that department, making selection even faster. Now for employee shift. Click the drop-down to see all your shift types. You might see options like day off, morning shift, afternoon shift, night shift, general shift, weekend shift, or any custom shifts your company has created. In this example, day off is selected. Use this when you're marking rest days for your team. Select the appropriate shift for what you're scheduling. If you need a shift type that doesn't exist yet, your administrator can create custom shifts in the system settings. Next is Assign Shift By. This determines when the shifts will be applied. Date is already selected. Use this to assign shifts for one specific day. When you select Date, you'll see a date field appear showing the current date. In this example, 08/01/2026. Click it to open a calendar and choose your target date. Multiple lets you select several individual dates, perfect when you need to assign shifts for non-consecutive days, maybe Mondays and Wednesdays for the next month. The note reminds you that you can select multiple dates using this option. Month lets you assign shifts for an entire month at once. This is incredibly powerful for companies with consistent monthly patterns. Perhaps your team always works morning shifts in January and afternoon shifts in February. Notice the date field on the right. This shows your selected date. If you chose multiple or month, additional date selection tools would appear here. Below that is the Send Email checkbox. Tick this if you want employees to receive email notifications about their shift assignments. This is usually a good idea so everyone knows their schedule immediately. Leave it unchecked if you prefer to communicate schedules through other channels. The Remark field lets you add notes or context about these shift assignments. Maybe type holiday coverage schedule, or project deadline week, extended hours, or temporary schedule due to site relocation. This creates a clear record of why these shifts were assigned this way. Finally, Add File lets you attach supporting documents. Perhaps you want to attach the approved overtime request, or a manager's scheduling email, or a project timeline that justifies these shifts. Click to select a file from your computer. Once you've filled in all the required fields, selecting employees, choosing a shift type, and picking your dates, a Save button appears at the bottom. Click Save to apply these shifts to all selected employees. The system processes your bulk assignment and updates the shift roster immediately. All the employees you selected now show the assigned shift on the dates you specified. If you chose to send emails, everyone receives a notification right away. Return to the calendar view, and you'll see all your assignments displayed clearly. The plus icons are still there if you need to make individual adjustments or fill in any gaps. And that's everything you need to know about managing shift rosters in Resourceby. You can now schedule your entire workforce efficiently, make quick adjustments when needed, and ensure everyone knows when they're expected to work. Your shift management just became dramatically simpler. Thank you. See you in the next module.